dynamic endpoint, say it's like a user profile page or a list of products, we want to put those products in the template data, which means we're going to have a way of reading through that string data or that stream data. We'll have to create a new stream if the stream is declared elsewhere. So we're not going to get by doing the stuff any differently here. Let's go back to this here. I'm just going to completely deconstruct this. In fact, I'll just comment this all out. I want to go right back to the beginning. And just say, in the server, just render the stuff out. Benchmark this. I should have done this right before I started doing any server work. I should have done this. So make the dispatcher outside, pass the dispatcher in, get rid of this connections nonsense. Create a stream and send that response. What does this do? $100 requests a second. I remember I'm not doing the connection stuff anymore, so I can't see that stuff in this. This is so disappointing. No failed requests here though, right? I mean, this isn't breaking as badly as it was when I was trying to read a file in. At the same time, it's not doing very high concurrency. And I don't know if that's just my setup, if it's because I'm streaming at the same time. Maybe I should just try running this in PHP 7 and seeing what happens. But I don't want to do it in PHP 7 because I don't have, there's no EIO extension for PHP 7 yet, which means it's going to do more of those. Did this update, by the way? It's going to do more of those forked processes to do file reads and writes. Where did I update the dependencies of this? Green text, where are you? Wow, I have a really long history in Bash. Okay, well that stopped. 165, even worse. No failed requests. 50% of them took more than half a second to evaluate, and it's doing nothing. So, I tell you what, I'm actually going to call it there because I've had a very frustrating time. I will definitely pick up the streaming again on Monday. We're going to look at Eris next week, which is a different PHP library for doing asynchronous stuff. It has apparently a very nice socket, WebSocket implementation. So we're going to check out doing some interesting stuff with that. I'll try and get to the bottom of what's going on with this Icicle stuff and maybe tweet about it or blog about it or something to get that sorted out. Sorry, it's been a very frustrating episode. It's been frustrating for me too. But if you've been here, thank you for being here. And I'm actually just going to call it there. So goodbye.